Alrighty, so it is Thursday. I don't even know if I've said what days it is. Basically, I gotta go get that 19 mil hex socket tool for the axle because for some reason we don't have that. So we're gonna run and get that, and then when I get back, I'm gonna mount some tires up for the Jetta. I don't think you can see it, but yeah. But first time driving the S4. This is exciting, so let's do it, I guess. Demetrius! Hello. This is the truck. This guy has my tool I need, so we going to see. Are we going in this thing? Are we after me? Okay. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, God. This is a new way to be broke. Oh, this is sick. So, OG Demetrius got his own truck now, which is pretty dope. And unfortunately, he sold out of the hex sockets, so we gotta borrow one of his personal ones now. Got the 19. That's the one I need. I'll just take that guy. Sweet, dude. Nuts again. Appreciate it. Probably not even filming right with it. I'm like filming the ceiling while I'm talking to you. The ceiling's covered in tools. What the crap? This is amazing. All right. Now, the time has come to put this in. Yesterday, Mike Day welded this up for me. So, that little guy happened, and this little guy happened. We're kind of already there, because if you weld, or when you weld, as it cools, it shrinks. So, this was being pulled that way, everything over here was being pulled that way, and thus the cracks. So, I'm gonna grind just the crack out, try to stay away from this top piece so we can keep that 100% flat, because the cap sits on there. So, got this piece, that's gonna fit right into there. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to grind that one down a little bit still. And then obviously this goes right on top. So, got that good, gonna get that up and in here. And then I got the tool from my dude, as you saw earlier. I'm gonna get the front axles out. Hopefully we can get some release, some movement while it's on the rack. Got all three of these actually grinded, but along this edge here, need to do a little bit more. And right there, just so this piece sits in flush, because we're hitting there, and a little bit right up here. So, a little bit more grindy. Get that taken care of right here. Okie doke. Like this. Yes. Boom. A little bit of play, but I think a little bit of play is from the edges that I kind of maybe beveled too much, but no worries. Let's get this thing put back together. Finally get it up here. So we got it back together. And it is freaking perfect. So I'm gonna crank this thing down a little bit in the vise. Get it torqued down right. Get that put back in its housing. Whoa, why are you leaking, baby? What is this? And more leaking. Oh well. I've like partially disassembled one of my O&Es or O&As. I forget, O&E, 5-speed, O&A, 6, or other way around.
O&E is 5 and 6. O&E was the S4 trains.
O&E is the S4 train, okay.
Because I have that weird 5-speed, early, like a C4 S4.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh, wow, there's some debris in there. Like, hit it with air and spin it.
Yeah.
I try not to like blow the trains or get from behind it or something.
Blow from the back.
Yeah.
Need some silicone. Alright, so again, I can't find any gasket maker here, probably because any of the stuff that we get for our cars probably already paid for, so. This thing is so sick. Let the puppy out. I had to stop by home real quick. Let this guy go potty and get some gasket maker that I have here. Hastings, come on, go potty. Okie doke. Got the stuff. Gonna get it back in there. This is so exciting. And she is off. Oh, this thing's so good. It's so good. I was thinking, Mr. Mike has a Volkswagen and an Audi. Well, there's a Volkswagen and a BMW and a Porsche. And I'm over here with like 10 Audis, and they're all the same freaking make, or the same model. Same make. All right, let that thing charge up real quick. Hopefully it's enough to get this guy off, because I want to get more done, because after more thought, luckily I didn't start putting it back together yet, because I can't put this on until I do tighten all these down, which I can't tighten them down yet because silicone has to dry. So once that dries, I can get the exhaust on, get the trans support bracket on there, the subframe like brace, and yeah, that'll be good. Exhaust will be on, that'll be tight. I can start putting fluid in it then, hopefully tomorrow. And like I said, whether or not this thing charges up enough, I can get these front axles out, and then we can start, yeah, doing some spinny stuff. I'm just gonna start it on the rack before I cup the front bearings. Like I've said probably a jillion times so far, I'm going to get it spinning on the rack, make sure just the back wheels spin, no binding or anything crappy is going on, because if that happens, then it's a no-go. So fingers crossed. I think it's gonna work. Mike thinks it's gonna work. So exciting, dude. Haha. Nope. All right. Well, that was a no-go. So, since I can't get that out with any help, and since I can't do anything until that is ready, it looks like I'm about to head out for the night yet again, which kind of sucks because I want to get this thing done and I want to do the things in it. But yeah, the thing being the burnout, not, and what you, gosh. So double check on the time, how much time I gotta let it sit for, blah 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 blah, and it doesn't even say. Okay, so yep, just gonna let her sit like I usually do. Should be good until next time, or yeah, I guess it'll be tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm tired, I'm sorry. This, good progress, good. We'll be back. Bye.